Guys, welcome back to another video. This time we're going to be doing some simple drawings with numbers. So let me show you. We're going to be drawing a candle, a lamp, and a leaf by using the numbers 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to be using these small pieces of paper for them. So first, let's move these out the side and start with number 1. And that's how we made the number 1 into a candle. Now on to the next one. Number 2. We're going to be turning it into a lamp. Alright, done. So that's how you turn number 2 into a lamp. And now for the last one, number 3, we're turning it into a leaf. Alright, done. That's number 3 turned into a leaf. I hope you enjoyed these 3 quick drawings based on numbers. I liked it too. And it was really easy. Maybe you could try it sometime. But anyways, hope you liked this short video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!